Every single day, people are making thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing using this free, simple method. I believe this type of business is the best option to start making money online. You don't need a website, you don't need to create a product, you don't need to have money and experience to start. And as a beginner, you can go from $0 to $9,000 in just 2 months with complete flexibility on time and location. By spending 1 to 2 hours a day, you can work on this business whenever you want and from you want. My name is Radek Barglik, and in this video, I will show you step by step how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner using this free traffic method. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to like and subscribe, because on this channel I will show you little known secrets to make money online. By the end of this step-by-step training, you are going to know exactly why do 92% of businesses fail, so you can stay with the 8% winners. What is an affiliate marketing? How to pick a winning product? What is a sales funnel? How to make first money with this free method? And I will show you live examples. Let's dive in. Why do 92% of businesses fail? Building a typical online business is not very complicated, but you need to go through all those steps before making the sale and making your first money. First of all, you need to come up with an idea for a product or service. To do this, you need to do some research to find what is in demand right now. You don't want to create a product nobody is interested in. That would be the worst case scenario. The next step is product creation. You can either develop the product yourself or purchase an existing one for resale. This business step is quite risky because you need to invest a lot of money in the product, but you don't have a rest of the structure ready yet. Another option is to develop the product by yourself, but that can take months or even years to be ready. Then you need to build an online shop or website, set up checkout and payment processing. On top of that, you need to build an advanced sales funnel to optimize sales process. And when that is ready, split testing and optimizing the website. After that, you need to create supplementary product to have better offer to attract more customers. You are ready to launch your business when you do all of that. Now you need to take care of shipping, inventory, and customer service. But we still didn't touch the most crucial part of the business, the sales process, distribution channel, and marketing. That is the core of your business, creating cash flow. There is an option to go to marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and others to find customers there. The only problem with this solution is that you are completely dependent on them. Anyway, if you would be interested in promoting your product through Amazon, I will leave below the link to the best training which will teach you how to do that properly. But for this video, let's focus on marketing. Because marketing is the most demanded and highly paid skill nowadays. With this skill, you can promote any product either for yourself or for somebody else with great success. So typically, most companies fail because they run out of time or money before going through all those steps to make their first sale. I will show you how you can work around it with affiliate marketing in the next part. What is affiliate marketing? Many people have no idea what affiliate marketing is, and maybe you are just wondering what that actually is. Affiliate marketing is simply the process when you connect other businesses' products or services with buyers and get paid a commission for each sale. That's why you don't need to be worried about creating a product, building an online shop or website, developing supplementary products, shipping and inventory. And you don't have to worry about customer service. Your only job as an affiliate marketer is getting traffic to the company sales page. The most surprising thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't even need to make any sales. That's the job of the business you are working with. What I like about affiliate marketing is you don't need to go through all those steps to start your online business. You can start making money right away, even today. You can research and pick the proven product with high demand that customers like and perform very well. You can promote as many products as you want and change the product at any time. This actually is the most lucrative part of the entire business, as you can get paid up to 100% of the product value. If you promote a physical product, that could be 1% to 20%. If a digital product, it is typically 40 to 50%. On some occasions, if a product is little known, it could be even 60 up to 100%. How to pick a winning product? First of all, you need to have an excellent affiliate product with perfect front-end offer and fantastic customer service. You need to find a company you can trust and you want to build your business on. Later in this video, I will share with you the company I have picked to work with. If you don't have another company in mind already, you can use the same. By choosing the company, make sure they also have complementary back-end products to create high-ticket offers. Why do you want company with high-ticket offers? Because on average, it takes the same time and effort to promote low-value product as high-value product. But the commission could be even 10 or even 100 times bigger. And the last thing, which is the most important, the product needs to provide actual value to the customers. You don't want to promote low-quality product or service which would ruin your reputation. A good indicator of dealing with quality product is its many fans and testimonials. If you see repeating the same success stories over and over again, that is probably not the best choice. Once you pick and join the company, you will get your unique affiliate link to promote their products. This link will automatically track all your sales. What is a sales funnel? What we have here is a 3-step sales funnel. Sales funnel is a journey a potential customer takes to purchase a product or service. Building a sales funnel is pretty simple even without prior experience with the right software. To quickly create a sales funnel, you need to use software that allows you to drag and drop elements to modify pre-designed pages. I'm going to show you the one I'm using, which is very easy to use and has an integrated autoresponder. Autoresponder is the software that helps manage and send a large number of emails fully automated. I will explain how the sales funnel works when we move to the live examples. Now let's move to the most exciting part. How to make first money with this free method. Let's talk about what we have on the screen right now. Your job is to drive traffic. You can do this in 2 ways, either with money, running paid campaigns, or free organically. Today we are talking about free method. Let's see what is happening here. The first step is to pick one of those social media. I would recommend to start with either TikTok or Instagram. Those platforms compete against each other for viewers. They attract creators by giving them free, massive traffic for quality content. To start, create a brand new dedicated account. Describe how you can help your audience and add the link to your funnel in the bio. Create the content your audience is interested in. Always provide value to your viewers and be helpful as much as you can. If you do this correctly, you will grow your reach without spending any money on advertisement. At the end of each video, specify very clear call to action. Click the link in the bio, follow to learn more, etc. When viewers click the link in the bio, they will go to your opt-in page. You will have a little bit of information about your product or service on this page. You want to introduce them to what they get when they stay with you. Then you ask your potential customers to leave their name and email to move forward. At this point, they are added to your autoresponder. What's happened here? I will cover that later. So now they are landing on the next funnel step called the bridge page. On this page, you are adding your affiliate link. And here you give your audience more information about the product to prepare potential buyers to let them know what to expect next. They will learn how the product you are promoting will help them solve their problem. This is the last page of your funnel before sending your traffic to your partner sales page. At this point, your job as an affiliate marketer is complete. From now on, your partner will take care of the sales process. That's why it is essential to have a partner who has an excellent offer and a very good conversion rate. Otherwise, all your work is wasted. If you want to know what product I'm promoting, stay to the end of this video and I will show you who my partner is. The reason for getting the email and adding it to the Autoresponder is to create follow-up sequence of emails that will give more information to potential customers about the product or service and help you build better relationship with them. That is the super important part of the process. That's the difference between making a couple of sales and thousands of sales. So please pay attention. Some people are not ready to purchase yet when they're visiting the sales page. So by informing them in the emails about the product and providing valuable information, you will become the go-to person. And when they are ready to go ahead, you are the best choice they have in mind. It might sound overwhelming, but all of that is happening automatically, so you don't need to do any of that manually. I will tell you the secret. The email list you are creating is your bigger asset, because when you create your relationship with your audience, you can promote any other niche-related product to them completely free. In this way, you are creating a passive, high-value stream of income. That is precisely what very few top affiliate marketers do to make thousands of dollars on autopilot. Live examples. Now I will show you live examples of what we have covered. I will show you the exact high-ticket affiliate product I'm promoting. Also, I will show you the software I use to build sales funnels with an integrated autoresponder for email marketing. Because TikTok and Instagram compete against each other, they try to attract as many users and creators as possible. That's why it's relatively easy to grow your account and have thousands of viewers for free. Look at those numbers. To grow your account, you need to find the content in your niche that already performed well and modify it with your own twist. Post 15 to 30 seconds long videos 3 times a day for the best results. Always keep in mind to provide as much value as possible to your audience. At the end of each video, encourage your viewers to click the link in the bio. When they click the link, they will go to the opt-in page, first step of the funnel. We want to address our audience's pain points and desires on this page. When they discover a little bit about the offer, they might be interested in this ebook, which explains how to dominate affiliate marketing in 5 simple steps. I've included in this ebook all the secrets that each successful affiliate marketer needs to know. In the meantime, our visitor moves to the next step of the funnel, the bridge page. We want to give our customers more information about the product. We want to let them know how the product we are promoting will help them solve their problems. It would help to express a little bit of empathy for the audience on this page to make them feel understood. And then say something about the product. What do you think about it? You can also add a little bit of your experience to make it unique and relatable. Below the video, you can also tell more about your story to build a rapport with your audience. When they click the button, they will go to the product page. Now, I will show you the affiliate product I'm promoting. That is 15-day Business Builder Challenge with Dave Sharp from Legendary Marketer. Because this product is extremely good and very hot right now, converts very well. It has helped thousands of people transform their lives. It helps create financial freedom for them. The program teaches people high-value skills for life. At this stage, your job as an affiliate marketer is complete. Now you can see the beauty of affiliate marketing. You can keep high profit without creating product, building a complicated sales funnel, or worrying about customer service or shipping. The 15-day challenge is the complete training for beginners teaching how to start and scale affiliate business. I have taken the program myself and I can tell that is the best training I have came across. And you need to know I spent over $34,000 for various trainings and courses, so I know what I am talking about. You can find lots of different programs teaching how to start affiliate marketing. Still, I decided to promote this one simply because I believe this one is the most comprehensive program out there. It helps start and run profitable, high-ticket marketing business with all their support. All participants can join private Facebook group with thousands of like-minded people who support each other. They are sharing their very inspirational success stories and you can learn a lot from them. The great thing about the Legendary Marketer program is that they provide 15-day challenge and have lots of supplementary products available for clients depending on what they need. The 15-day challenge costs just $7, which is a crazy low price for this training. So now you might wondering how we can call it a high-ticket product and how would you be able to generate thousands out of this. The thing is that further down they will introduce to your traffic more advanced options helping to grow their businesses even faster. That option comes with a price of $2,500, of which 40% will be paid to you as your commission. From each sale, you will get $1,000. That means to make $9,000, you need to make only 9 sales. With this product, it is not that difficult. Having the Legendary Marketer as a partner gives you confidence that your traffic gets high-value training. It is not surprising because Dave Sharp, the founder of the Legendary Marketer, is an 8-figure affiliate marketer himself, so your customer will learn from top of the top experts in the industry. If you want to get started with trusted partner, I strongly suggest the Legendary Marketer. With them, you will be able to promote many other products that will be available for you and you will get a commission on each of them. If you would like to look at their offer yourself, I will leave the link below this video. To become their partner, you need to finish the 15-day challenge yourself, which I strongly recommend completing anyway. You are going to get tons of value there. You will even have dedicated advisor who will help you on the way on one-to-one live sessions. This kind of service is not heard of in this industry, especially if we are talking $7 for 15 days course. If you want to see what the training is about, click the link below to get started. Earlier, I also mentioned about the funnel builder, which I found to be the cheapest and the easiest software on the market with built-in autoresponder. If you are interested, see the link below. It's called System and you can use the basic plan for free, which is a bargain compared to ClickFunnels, the most popular software, where the prices start at $97 a month without an integrated autoresponder. Despite being a user of ClickFunnels, I believe that the free alternative will be much more appropriate for what you need right now. So if you have learned anything from this video, please like and subscribe because that means a lot to me. I would like to help you as much as I can, so let me know in the comments if there is anything I would be able to help you with. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the following video.